Hi, I'm Sophie from oneHR, and on this video I'm going to show you how to cancel leave against an employee's profile. So to start with, all you need to do is click on leave, find the employee that you want to cancel the leave from, and the date. So here, for example, on Grace Kelly, she has booked off the 13th of March. If you click on that date, you can confirm the date and the time and simply press cancel leave. Once you've cancelled it, that will be updated on their profile as well. If somebody has booked a half day, it will appear like this. All you need to do is click on that, click on the time, so annual leave 8 till 2 o'clock, and then you will get the same box pop up and you can press cancel leave. If somebody has booked half a day in the morning and then decided to book half a day in the afternoon, you can click on it like that. And if they decide that they want to cancel just the morning, for example, you can press that and cancel. And if they want to cancel the full day, you can go back in, click on the afternoon and press cancel, and that will be removed. With your employees, they can cancel leave as long as that day has not already happened and as long as that holiday has not been accepted already.